Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Let's start with the fastest method. Move your mouse to the bottom of the screen and click on the Start button. In the search bar, type Add or Remove Programs. A settings window will open, showing a list of installed apps. Scroll through the list or use the search box at the top to find the app you want to remove. Click on the three dots next to the app name, then click Uninstall. A confirmation box will appear. Click Uninstall again to complete the process. If you get an error while uninstalling, open the Task Manager and look for the app that you want to uninstall. If it is running, right-click on it and select End Task. After that, try uninstalling it again. Some apps may require additional steps. If a setup window opens, follow the prompts and select Remove when asked. Now let's look at another method. Click the Start button again and type Control Panel. When it opens, click on Programs and Features. This view shows traditional desktop programs. Scroll through the list, click on the program you want to uninstall, and then click Uninstall at the top of the list. Follow any instructions that appear on your screen until the program is removed. If you want to uninstall a Microsoft Store app, you can also do it directly from the Start menu. Click Start, right-click on the app icon you want to remove and choose Uninstall. If the uninstall option appears, select it and confirm. If there is no uninstall option, that means the app is a built-in system app and cannot be removed. Now you know different ways to uninstall apps on Windows 11. Thanks for watching.